Welcome to the world of meditation. This is day 1 of your 365 days meditation journey. Stay with me till the end, and you'll feel the shift inside you right now. Your body is tense. Let's relax it right now. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Your back soften, and as you exhale, drop your shoulders down. With each breath, your legs grow heavier. Your body melts into the ground, peaceful and light. Feel your jaw loosen. You don't have to hold anything right now. Just rest. In this moment, nothing else matters. Just you and your breath. Smile softly, because you are safe. You are loved. You are enough. Now open your eyes and carry this calm with you for the rest of your day. We'll meet here tomorrow.